The superintendent, while verifying in the ship manager components tree structure, observes that the emergency air compressor is not available in the fleet. The superintendent adds the emergency air compressor in the database. Now on board, the chief engineer wants to make a requisition for an emergency air compressor, but observes that it has not been added in inventory. The concerned person is intimated about this requirement. Observe how the entry. Then select Components from the submenu to enter details. The list of components are displayed before you. Select the component to add details. Here select Bilge Pump from the list. Now the application shows the various ship manager components on the left side of the screen. Click on the Add button to enter details. Enter a valid component name. Enter component code. Enter the model. Use the search feature to locate and enter manufacturer name. Enter the year of manufacture. Select the yard from the drop-down list. Enter a value for number of components. Enter the RPM detail. Enter capacity. Enter other details. Select run hour based under attributes. Select relevant fields under the head condition monitoring values. Click on the Save button. The superintendent enters the clearances detail for the emergency air compressor according to the manual specifications. Use the More Links feature to enter details for clearances to maintain. Observe the entry now. Use the More Links feature to enter details for clearances to maintain. Click on the option Clearances to Maintain. Click on the Add button. Enter the clearance name. Enter values for clearance lower limit and upper limit. Choose a valid unit from the drop-down list. Enter remarks. You can attach pertinent document using the attachment feature given here. Browse for the appropriate file and attach it. Click on the Save button. Clearances to maintain is added. Click on the Cancel button. For the convenience of the crew, the superintendent attaches the scanned copy of the manuals available for the emergency air compressor. Observe the way to add attachments in Ship Manager. You can add additional information or manual using the Add Attachment feature in More Links. Click on the Add Attachment. Choose a file using the Browse option and attach the file. The attachment is added. Click on the Cancel button. You can view the new attachment using the option View Attachments and More Links. Click on View Attachments. Observe the new attachment. Apart from adding details for each component, Ship Manager allows entry for part items as well. Click on the Add Parts to enter part items details. Enter a valid part name. Enter values for part number, drawing number, and dimensions. Select the value for critical from the drop-down list. Enter part ID, reorder level and reorder quantity. Enter alarm level value. Enter other details. Click on the Save button. Part items is added.